Check, check. Hey, I got to show you guys this. And you know, hey, I'm always all about giving credit when credit's due. Stocks with Mo, man. Thank you. Thank you for your technical analysis. I've been watching your videos, man. Thank you. You know, I'm an ex-high school teacher as well. He was a high school teacher, so I don't know if we have something in common in that regard, but look at these technicals, okay? Now, and I've been studying technicals for a long time, don't get me wrong, but there's little things that he says. What I did like about what Mo just said, we might be in the crypto winter right now. I did a video a couple weeks back that was talking about, have we already experienced the crypto winter? Because I was being hopeful that it was about ready to turn around. We had some indication where things may have turned around, like right up here on this arrow. This is the Bitcoin chart, daily candles that we're looking at. Right here, when we closed above the trend line, I remember saying, "Wow, this could be our move up to the next resistance level." Guess what? We could be in the crypto winter still right now. Okay, and there's a lot of factors that can back that statement up. So we got to be aware of things. So if you guys can see this, let me go back to this where my trend line crossed this resistance. We closed above, okay, and it didn't hold. Okay, the next day it didn't hold. So, but what's more compelling is look at these moving averages. Okay, what we have to look at right here is that the yellow is my 5-day EMA, did cross the 13 back here. And so look so right here, after those two moving averages crossed, we had this positive green candle. It didn't hold. Look what happened to the yellow 5-day. It kinked hard on December 11th. It kinked hard and started moving down, so we're not sure yet. Check this out. It did cross back over the 20-day. Look, it went positive above the 20-day back here. It started coming down. It crossed back down over the 20-day, okay, the red, and it also crossed down right here over the 13-day. I mean, that's bearish, people. When the 5 crosses back down, both of those, after it teases us back down, look at this. Boom, 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 boom. So, okay, so now we're toying with that level that I was talking about right here, this 85 with it. We're toying with it. We're on this red candle today, right now as we speak. I'm just saying, man, I don't see any indication. Look how far apart these moving averages are all spread out. They're not even coming together. They're kind of moving away from each other. So I cannot see anything in this chart that indicates a turnaround. Okay, people prepare for a cozy winter. This winter's not going to be bad, ladies and gentlemen. You know what I mean? Just put in your mind, just sit in front of the fireplace. I gotta get the fire going, by the way. I'll do a video with that thing pumping. It's unbelievable, dude. We have 2 wood-burning fireplaces. I love firewood. I love burning fires in the winter. It just puts off a different heat than any other system can do. I love it. It's a cozy winter that we're experiencing right now. Okay, this is going to come down. These candles are going to come down within this downward trend that we've been talking about pretty much every day. Okay, and it's going to approach, I believe is this the 500? The 500-day moving average? It is, yeah, the 200. The 200. Oh my goodness, man. This line right here. We're going to come down and potentially toy with this, and then look at the next support, 80,000. This is where real investors start thinking about dollar cost averaging. Get your little calculator and start doing numbers with, if you could pick up Bitcoin down here. I don't have enough Bitcoin, to be honest with you. My portfolio, I always talk about 50% of your allocation should be in Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then you look at XRP, then you look at Solana. It's that balanced portfolio with percentages, and the higher market caps gone down. And then you roll the dice with 10% of your money on the smaller ones. I've got a little bit too much into my altcoin projects. I need to get some more into Bitcoin. So it's just a safer place to put money, ladies and gentlemen. Long term speaking. I'd be stoked to get it at 80. I did a post yesterday talking about some goofballs talking about the crash could go Bitcoin to $10,000. It's like, come on, man, come on. If we're that lucky, man, I'd be jumping for joy if we're that lucky. It's not gonna happen because we're already down. See, what is 124? I'm gonna tell you how far we are down from that high of 124,000. 24,000. Let me measure this. If I can get it on here, the orange line that I'm trying to touch here today is it's 126 something. So from there down to, I'll go down to it's about 35. It's about a 35% drop from the top. That's big. I am predicting from what I'm seeing here that Bitcoin could go to 40% loss from its high back on October 7th. It's crypto winter. It's crypto winter right now. Okay, and there's a lot of factors other than that, fundamentally wise speaking, with economic conditions and things. Inflation's way higher, people, than what we're being told, to be honest with you. Because I just found this out. Thank you, Economic Ninja, by the way, pointed this out. I didn't realize this. Inflation numbers, fuel and food is not considered into the equation of inflation. Oil and gas and consumable foods, commodities and stuff is not in those numbers. It's like, what, dude? That's what the inflationary pumps are in those two sectors. So I didn't know that. Learn something new every day, ladies and gentlemen. So, hey, I'll leave you with that. I'm not going to get crazy with too many other charts here for today. Just focus on this. When we see the Bitcoin turnaround, and now what people are talking about is Q1 in 26, but it's probably not going to happen early this time in January. We need to look more to February, March as far as this turnaround. So just be patient. Hang in there, people. Hang in there. I know we want it to turn around and we want to go make money yesterday, but we don't have control of that. What we can do is we can look at these technicals, we can study fundamentals, stay patient, and dollar cost average. That's what I'm talking about today. Thanks for joining me. Crypto Hop, getting out of here. Enjoy the rest of your day. Prepare for the Christmas holidays. Try to have some fun. I know it's stressful, but check out my other videos here that I'll put up. You might be interested. This one where the 5-year cycle has been broken is interesting. Check it out. All right, buddy. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace out.